Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Zoom app when it's unable to detect your camera on mobile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on Settings in your mobile. This will open up your device's main settings menu where you can manage all your app permissions and configurations. Once you're in Settings, tap on Apps. This section contains all the applications installed on your phone and allows you to control their individual settings and permissions. Next, tap on Zoom from the list of apps. This will take you directly to Zoom's specific app settings page where you can see all the details about storage, permissions, and other important configurations. Now tap on Permissions. This is a crucial step because it shows you exactly what access Zoom currently has on your device, including your camera, microphone, and storage. From the Permissions menu, tap on Camera. This option controls whether Zoom has the ability to access your phone's camera at all. You'll now see different permission options available. Tap on Allow only while using the app. This setting ensures that Zoom can access your camera when you're actively using the application, which is exactly what you need for video calls and meetings. Now go back to Zoom settings. You'll need to return to the main Zoom app settings page to complete the next steps. Tap back again to make sure you're on the right screen. From here, tap on Force Stop. This action will completely shut down the Zoom app and clear any temporary glitches that might be preventing the camera from working properly. A confirmation will pop up asking if you're sure you want to force stop the app. Tap OK to confirm and proceed. Next, restart your phone. This step is important because it refreshes all the system processes and ensures that the new camera permissions are properly applied. Give your phone a moment to fully reboot and load all its services. Then open Zoom and try the camera to see if it works. Launch the app and start a test meeting or check your video settings to verify that the camera is now being detected and functioning correctly. If it's working, you're all set and ready to use Zoom for your video calls. However, if it still doesn't work, try to uninstall and reinstall the Zoom app. Sometimes a fresh installation can resolve deeper issues that simple permission changes can't fix. Simply remove Zoom from your device, head to your app store, download it again, and set it up from scratch. And that's it. You've now resolved the camera detection issue on Zoom. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.